Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding chair cart is probably one of the most underrated inventions for event planners and anyone who frequently sets up and takes down chairs. It dramatically reduces the time and effort needed to transport and store folding chairs, saving you valuable time and energy, and minimizing the risk of back injuries from carrying heavy loads. This video will review the top features to look for when choosing a folding chair cart to ensure you select the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Wellmax Push Cart Dolly. Tired of bulky carts? This platform truck folds away easily for storage, yet it's ready when you need it. Simply fold the handle to store it quickly and easily. It's designed for easy movement and stability. The 4 durable wheels provide smooth transport, and the 360-degree swivel back wheels make navigating corners a breeze. Folding is also one-handed for convenience. Move items with confidence. It holds up to 330 pounds. The support guard prevents items from slipping, and the heavy-duty wheels handle uneven surfaces with ease. Built for long-lasting use, it features a sturdy padded handle and a non-slip platform. Made with high-quality materials, it's a reliable tool you can depend on for years. It's perfect for various tasks, moving household items, lumber, or luggage. Its foldable design makes storage simple, whether in your garage, basement, or warehouse. Wellmax is a family-run American business since 1994. Support a USA-based company and join the Wellmax family. What we like. It folds away easily for storage. Its 360-degree wheels make it easy to navigate tight spaces. If you need a sturdy cart for moving heavy items in a small area, this is the one for you. What people say. Assembly, for wheels and a bunch of bolts. Tie in all the bolts to the wheels to the chassis. Steering ones under the handle. Soft foam on the handle. Nice. Goes over my cable covers easily. Maneuvers of them really easily. Pivots and turns on a dime. Low slip platform is great. Easy to assemble. It took me maybe 20 to 25 minutes. Folds easily. Can store it in a closet or behind a bedroom door. Fits in most trunks. I have a Nissan Sentra. Carries plenty of items: groceries, luggages, moving boxes, trash, recycling bags. Easy to maneuver. Our apartment complex is a maze, lots of turns and uneven flooring. Soft handle and soft flatbed. You don't have to worry about your items getting banged up. The one at school is about 4 or 5 feet long. This one was shorter, only 3 feet, and I thought that might be an inconvenience because it couldn't hold as much. Certainly, it does hold less, but I found the shorter length made it much more maneuverable than the big one at school. This one is metal and sturdy, and the handle is padded, which is very nice. I also like how it has rubber around the edges of the flat bed part, so it's less likely to scuff something if you run into a doorway, etc. This is also very easy to set up. The only thing you have to do is put the wheels on. Number 4. Safco 2-tier folding chair cart. It has 2 racks and can hold up to 84 folding chairs, perfect for large venues or offices. This makes storing and transporting a large number of chairs easy and efficient. Its commercial-grade steel frame is incredibly sturdy and reliable. The powder coat finish protects it from damage, ensuring long-lasting use. 24 pins keep the chairs securely in place while moving it. This prevents chairs from sliding and ensures safe transport. 4 swivel wheels make it easy to maneuver. Moving it around is smooth and effortless, no matter the surface. It's ideal for churches, schools, and offices, anywhere folding chairs are needed. It's the perfect solution for any event or facility. Its overall dimensions are 64.5 by 33.5 by 70.25 inches. Please ensure you have enough space to accommodate it. What we like. This cart can hold a massive number of chairs. Its steel frame ensures durability. If you need to transport lots of chairs efficiently and safely, this is your best bet. What people say. This is a very sturdy product. It holds the chairs that we load up on it. Have not had any problems with the product, that's why I bought another one. We now have 2 that hold 80 chairs apiece and we can maneuver them in and out of our storage area. Great solid product, well worth the easy assembly, great buying experience. Very fast delivery. Heavy steel construction, really solid welds and quality powder coating. Easy to assemble, 12 bolts and nuts. I chose this one because the arms that hold the chairs were a bit longer. Glad I did. Fully loaded, this dolly holds 96 chairs and rolls smoothly once loaded. Number 3. BCP 36 inches folding utility wagon. This wagon is built to last, with a heavy-duty steel frame and durable polyester liner. It's perfect for hauling up to 150 pounds of gear. Maneuver easily on any terrain. Its all-terrain wheels and 360-degree rotation make it perfect for the beach, park, or garden. Adjust the handle height for comfortable pushing or pulling. The handle is designed to stay up, minimizing bending. It folds down flat in seconds for easy storage. It's ready to expand again whenever you need it. From grocery shopping to beach trips, it's versatile enough for any adventure. It even has handy mesh pockets for drinks. This cart measures 36L x 21W x 25.8 inches and has a 150-pound weight capacity. It's the perfect solution for all your hauling needs. What we like. It folds down for compact storage and has all-terrain wheels. The adjustable handle makes it comfortable to use. If you need a versatile cart for various outdoor and indoor uses, this is perfect. What people say. This wagon was perfect for our beach gear. It doesn't do bad in soft sand but does way better when the sand is shallow and more packed down. It's so easy to use and we love that it folds up for easy travel. Easy to assemble. Seems to work with our luggage sizes. Has a latch to keep the handle from falling. Collapsed well and fits in the small space between the wall and couch. This cart is heavy duty. Great construction. Solid bottom so my toddler grandson rides comfortably. Number 2. Flash Furniture Kaden Chair Dolly. Hosting a large event. This chair dolly makes setup a breeze. It's designed to quickly and easily move chairs into place. It holds up to 36 small folding chairs or 20 resin chairs. You'll be ready for any sized event. With 4 easy swiveling wheels, it glides effortlessly across most floors. Moving heavy chairs has never been easier. Made of heavy-duty steel with a durable black finish, it's built to withstand years of use. It's a reliable choice for commercial settings. It's easy to put together, so you can get it set up and ready for your next event in minutes. Start enjoying its benefits right away. This L-shaped dolly is the perfect solution for transporting and storing your event chairs. Get yours today. What we like. Its unique L-shaped design maximizes space efficiency. It's built to last with heavy-duty steel. If you're setting up chairs for large events, this cart will save you time and effort. What people say. Easily for 40+ stacking Hercules chairs. I have the fan back round top. This was designed for the flat back but with a little padding on the edge where the handle is, the round part fit in between. I also had to cut the cross support which didn't change the integrity as all the carts I have was not changed. Good product. I ordered this cart to store 50 of the Flash Furniture Hercules plastic chairs. It was easy to assemble and works great to store the chairs. You can fit more on the cart if you store the chairs lying flat. The Hercules chairs work great with this, as they are molded so that the chairs fit without tumbling over. I am able to fit about 35 chairs on them easily. This dolly is perfect for moving around 30 folding chairs with ease. Handles can be easily removed for easy transport. Reasonable size wheels to weight ratio. Perfect for small business use. We also use dolly to transport our folding tables. Sturdy and well made. Number 1. YITAHOME 240 pounds folding utility cart. This innovative cart is designed for effortless portability and heavy-duty use. Its unique folding design makes storage a breeze. It boasts 3 large shelves, easily holding up to 240 pounds. Yet, it folds compactly, saving you 80% space. It's built with heavy-duty PP trays and a lightweight aluminum frame, ensuring strength and longevity. Each shelf is rigorously tested to hold 80 pounds. The cart features 4 3-inch swivel casters, 2 with locks, for easy movement. The TPR coating ensures quiet operation and protects your floors. No assembly is required, simply unfold and use. The smooth, water-resistant shelves and aluminum frame are easy to wipe clean. From home and garage to restaurants and offices, this versatile cart is ideal for various uses. Its compact folded size makes storage simple. What we like. It boasts 3 large shelves and a high weight capacity. The cart is easy to fold and store. If you need a heavy-duty, easy-to-use cart for various applications, this is a great choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.